Hi, I'm Tanveer. In this video, we will discuss the emergence of free and open source software for the implementation of ICT in education in India. We have seen that IT education plays a vital role in socio-economic growth of a country, and ICT have an immense potential to impact education and provide newer and more effective ways of mitigating some of the challenges being faced by the educational system of India. But cost of proprietary software is one of the foremost hurdles to increase the IT literacy rate in India. The solution lies in the technology transfer from proprietary software to free and open source, which is also known as FOSS, to address the issue. Today, small and medium enterprises and government departments are moving to open source software. Students with this knowledge will have an edge in the job market. They can also become entrepreneurs and use open source software in their businesses and save money versus if they were using commercial software. FOSS is useful in reducing cost, lead to increase in productivity, enhancement in the security, and improve standard compliance. FOSS is the lowest threat choice for software system nowadays. The free software definition is published by Richard Stallman's Free Software Foundation. Here is the key text of that definition. Free software is a matter of liberty, not price. To understand the concept, you should think of free as in free speech. Free software is a matter of users' freedom to run, copy, distribute, study, change, and improve the software. Most precisely, it refers to four kinds of freedom for the users of software. Freedom to run the program for any purpose comes under freedom 0. The freedom to study how the program works and adapt it to users' need is freedom 1. As access to the source code is a precondition for this. And the freedom to redistribute copies so you can help your neighbor comes under freedom 2. So in this way, the free and open source software is the key if we talk about the free education or if we want to cover the whole world to being IT literate. A major technology transfer is required in India to increase the IT literacy rate by implementing ICT in education at various teaching learning levels. In the present scenario of technology or technology transfer, FOSS is gaining importance with its numerous features with knowledge sharing, professional recognition, project developments of new skills, and many more. So the free and open source software movement is one such development that is playing out before us today. As a revolution power, the representative of the free and open source software, Linux challenges other proprietary operating systems which represent proprietary software. So free and open source software movement accelerates technology and knowledge expansion in public. So this video was to address the implementation of FOSS and implementation of ICT in education in India. And the big example of it is the project by IIT Bombay, that is Spoken Tutorial. So Spoken Tutorial is run and developed by IIT Bombay. It is powered by MHRD Government of India under National Mission on Education through ICT. Under the Spoken Tutorial project, you will find audio video tutorials to teach open source software. Because once we told to students to use free and open source software, then the question came that from the very beginning, we are hands-on on proprietary software, whether we are using the original version of that software or the cracked one. But we are more hands-on on proprietary. So there is a gap to say that you use free and open source software and actually working on it. So in order to learn free and open source software, Spoken Tutorial has made very beautifully audio video tutorials. And the beauty of the courses is they are dubbed into 16 Indian languages. So a student who is in the rural area of Punjab can learn the courses in Punjabi language. And any person who is living in rural area of India, he or she can have access to 16 Indian local languages in which they can learn open source software. So for example, if we talk about the C program, then the program or the video tutorial will be like आज हम C का program करेंगे. So it's like that. So students will be able to learn in the local languages. They will be more familiar with it. They can learn very, you can say that, easily about the courses. And the next thing is, along with the audio video tutorials, students will be made available to script, because we have in our culture that we made a notes. So you will have a pre-made notes along with the tutorials. So you can read once you are practicing it. And along with that, the code files which are used in the video tutorials by the tutor will be available to you, so that you can replicate the code in your own system. So in this way, you can say that you have the tutorials to learn open source software. You have the notes also, you have the assignments also, you have the code also, so that you can practice in your own system. So there are around a range of 50 to 60 courses available under the Spoken Tutorial project. You can go to the website spoken-tutorial.org. You can have access to all the courses in different languages. You don't have to register on your Spoken Tutorial portal. Directly you can watch the tutorials and start practicing. So during the COVID-19, the coronavirus outbreak, whole world is moving their technologies to remote learning. So if you are sitting in your homes, then you have a chance to explore such remote learning resources, so that you can keep your learning ongoing if your schools or colleges are closed nowadays. So this is the best time to explore remote learning resources from different platforms available in the market. You can learn and you can have the practice while sitting in your homes. So I assume that you will be searching remote learning resources around the world across the web. Curate the best one for you, and you can have your presentations. You can have a specific folder in which you can put all your data in that. So in this way, you will be keeping your learning ongoing if you are sitting in your homes. Your teachers, your guides, your mentors are already looking for such resources so that they can connect with you. So from my side, you can visit spoken-tutorial.org if you have any query, any doubt regarding the courses, how you can get it, anything related to that. You can find my contact details in the description of this video. You can call, you can message, you can mail me anytime. So thank you so much.